You're in, which means the hard part, starting, is already behind you. Now comes the part that actually pays. We call it the 7-day sprint, a simple focused plan to get you from zero to your first commission without wasting time, guessing what to do, or endlessly researching. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to make your move. And by the end of this week, if you follow along, you'll have your first referral. Now let's do it. Day 1, log in and grab your link. Start strong. Head over to dash.partnerstack.com and log in. This is your control panel and where you'll find your official affiliate link. Now, make sure to bookmark this dashboard. You'll be coming back here a lot. Like a lot. Oh, and one more thing. You're not limited to that one link. Use custom links to create trackable URLs to any page on the GetResponse site. That means you can point people to what actually solves their problem and still earn on that sale. Day 2, draft your first post. Now here comes the part where most people freeze. Writing content. They overthink, they overwrite, or never write anything at all. But we have a shortcut just for you. We built an AI tool that does the heavy lifting for you. Yeah, we're that cool, and we'll link it down below. It drafts posts tailored to your voice, your platform, and your niche. All you gotta do is pick a format that you're already familiar with. Blog, email, tweet, doesn't matter. Use the tool, adjust what you need to, and tee it up for tomorrow. Because tomorrow, we're going live. Day 3, share your first post. Your first post won't be perfect. It's not supposed to be. It just needs to exist, to be there. Rip that Band-Aid. So add your referral link, include a sentence or two explaining how GetResponse solves a problem your audience actually cares about, and hit publish. Now make sure to tag GetResponse so we can hype you up, and maybe there's a reshare coming your way. Day 4. Check your dashboard. This is the first moment that feels real because now you're not just wondering, you're watching. Open your Partner Stack dashboard. See who clicked, see what landed. And yes, even 0 clicks is useful data. It means you have attention to earn. Now you know what's working and what's not working. That's where the leverage is. Day 5, try something new. Let's experiment. Today, I want you to test something. Try a new headline, try the same post on a different platform. That's called repurposing. If you wrote a blog post yesterday, turn it into an email today. If you created a post on LinkedIn, give TikTok a try. Don't be afraid to try new things. Don't overthink it. Just do it. And by the way, this is not sponsored by Nike, but if you know anyone, we're open. Day 6, schedule your next posts. Consistency creates visibility. You don't want to wake up every week wondering, what should I post or what should I post today? So build the system now. Schedule your next post. 2 is enough. It doesn't need to be daily. It just needs to be planned. It needs to be consistent. And once your system runs, your time unlocks. You have more of it. That's where scale starts. Day 7, bonuses and FAQs. Day 7 is less about doing and more about connecting. Check your inbox if there are any activation bonuses waiting for you. Review the FAQ. That's where the smart questions are asked and answered. And if you're stuck or even unsure, book a strategy call. Not eventually, now. This link takes you straight to our affiliate team. Remember, every action you take opens up more earning potential and more chances to win cool stuff. And who doesn't like cool stuff? I mean, really. And just like that, you're officially live. Congrats! Now the real fun begins. So keep posting weekly, explore new campaigns, DM us on PartnerStack if you're stuck or curious, or better yet, book a strategy session with Erica. We're here for your wins, big and small. Now go out there and start earning. You've got this.